Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows key not working on Windows 11. So first you need to go to Start menu, go to Setting. Under the System section, scroll down and come to the Troubleshoot. Tap on Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down and tap on Keyboard and tap on Run. Wait for detecting issues. So in this case there is no issue. If your keyboard has issue, it will be showing here. You can try to get action for that. Then after close this one. If you have external keyboard, try to connect it and check if the issue is fixed or not. Then if it is fixed, that means your keyboard has physical damage, so you have to use external keyboard. So then after, if it is not the problem, you can press Ctrl Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. You can just right click on the Task Manager and go to Task Manager also available. Scroll down all the way bottom. Tap on Windows Explorer, tap on Restart option. Once it is done, close this one. Again go to Start menu, go to Setting, go to Accessibility in the left side menu. Scroll down and go to Keyboard. Turn off sticky keys and filter keys options like this. Once it is done, you can close this one. Again right click on the Start menu, go to Device Manager. Expand, double tap on keyboards, select your keyboard that has issue, right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. Then after go back, choose the second option, choose this one, choose your driver, tap on next. This will reinstall the same driver on your computer. If that is not working, right click on it, go to properties, go to driver, tap on rollback driver if it is enabled, if you are using latest update. If none of these method not working, tap on uninstall device and restart your computer. Once it is done, you can close this one. And again you need to go to search bar. You can't type run actually, so you have to do all the things. First you need to go to search bar, Start menu, go to Setting, go to Accessibility option using mouse pointer. Then after scroll down and tap on keyboard option. So tap on screen keyboard, turn it on. So then after you can do the next method using this on screen keyboard. So that will help you to fix the keyboard command issues. So you need to type run using on screen keyboard, tap on it. In this menu you need to type msconfig like this, tap on OK. Go to Services tab, tick the Hide all microservices option, tap on OK. Then after go to Startup tab, tap on Open Task Manager. In the Startup tab, disable all the enabled application in the status section. You can see this one is enabled, tap on Disable. Then after go to Monitoring, tap on Disable. Likewise disable all the application. Once it is done, close this one, and again you need to go to search bar, type run, tap on it. In this here you need to type regedit, regedit, tap on OK. Now